Hello YouTube. It's been a while since we've had a conversation like this. I'm actually in the process of cleaning my room, that's why there's a trash can over there. I want to welcome you back. Why are we here today? We're gonna unbox some sneakers today. Actual pair of sneakers. Don't worry, I did the hard part of spending the money so you don't have to, or at least not yet. My name is Nikki, most of you know me as Smash. I'm gonna unbox a pair of sneakers today and we're gonna talk about whether or not you should buy one. Quick overview of what exactly is about to happen in today's video. First things first, we're gonna unbox a pair of sneakers. I think that's pretty obvious. Next, I'm gonna go over what's actually in the box. We're gonna talk a little bit about the sneakers. I'm gonna put them on and you guys are gonna get a chance to see what they look like on foot. The idea of this video is to give you guys an opportunity to make an educated buying decision on whether or not you actually wanna cop a pair of sneakers. Hopefully this helps, and if it does, you should totally hit that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe to come back for some more. So let's open up this box. And in today's video, we're talking about some Fear of God essentials today, boys. So I ended up picking up this pair of Fear of Gods during the essentials drop last week. Yeah, about a week to get these things. FedEx took their time delivering my packages. I've got my eye on you, FedEx. You guys have been fucking up lately. More particularly, we're talking about the sock runner. Got it in a size 10. Why? Because I wanted a personal pair. Quick look at the box. Pretty straightforward sneaker box. And of course in Fear of God style, super simplistic. Can't go wrong with that. So I gotta get to that focus. There we go. Talking about the cream sock runner here. It's gonna look more like a mid, most likely. I have absolutely no idea what I'm in for here, but they look nice on the website and I figured why not get myself a pair of Fear of Gods. I think I have enough pair of Adidas and Nikes, so change it up a little bit. Just take a look inside. Oh, and for the record, I didn't cut my fingers, so let's go over what's actually in the box. First, a dust bag. This is actually kind of nice, especially for something that you would get at a Pacsun. Most designer shoes, they come with their own individual dust bags. Usually Fear of Gods. This is the second pair of Fear of Gods I have. I do own a pair of the Fear of God ones, and those came with a dust bag, so I guess it's in style to have a dust bag for your sneakers. It actually looks like it matches the color of the actual sneakers themselves. Pretty straightforward. Oh, these actually look nice. All right, let's have a closer look. Not bad. These actually look really nice. Go over some of the details really quick. They're very light. They are your typical Fear of God style sneaker. One thing I didn't notice right away that I didn't see on the website is it actually has a zipper on the back. Fear of God shoes in general that have zippers on the back because they tend to break. And I don't think that's because they're bad quality. I think it's just the design overall. I've had issues with zippers on Fear of God clothing, from the hoodies to some of the pants where the zippers tend to get stuck. That also happened a lot on my ones. Yeah, something to be mindful of. But the sock material itself is kind of stretchy. It's a little bit tight. It doesn't move too much. It does have the lace lock. The laces are super soft. It feels very similar to some of the drawstrings that you would have on some of their joggers. A pair of white laces as well. So you do get a second pair of laces. Same material, feels like a drawstring. There's really nothing special about them. No special material. They feel extremely light. So, but you can switch them up. I actually like the cream color of the laces that are on there currently, so I'll probably leave those on. I don't think I'll want to put these on just because they'll get dirty very fast. Midsole. Super tough, not a lot of give, still kind of nice. And you got some suede in the toe box a little bit here. It's pretty nice. Don't wear it out in the rain. And it looks like you've got more suede kind of fall all around the outside here, which is kind of nice too. It's a nice look overall. I actually like the way it looks. It looks really cool. I can't wait to see how these feel on foot. So here's a quick look at the shoe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some proper pants and I'm gonna try these on for you guys and let you know what they feel and look like. So I'm gonna roll some really cool music in a second, so stay tuned. gotta talk. So hopefully seeing the on foot helped you understand a little bit of what they look like on foot. I have them on currently, so there's a couple of things I want to go over with you guys before you make the decision to buy them. Number one, the price. It's up there. I mean, these aren't the type of shoes that you would wear to an Applebee's. You know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't want to spend the $300 to take them out and, you know, to wear them someplace just to wear them and beat them up. Nor do I feel like these are the type of sneakers that you would want to run in. So overall, the price point, it's kind of high. If you're into fear of God, then yes. I think they look good on foot, and depending on what it is that you're wearing, the aesthetic is nice. They are a little bit narrow in the foot, so I have a little bit of wiggle room in the toe. I did go true to size. Do I think you should go a half a size down? No. Should you go a half a size up? Probably not, because it's either too long or too short, so you're probably better off just going true to size. I have a bit of a wide foot, so it's a bit of a squeeze right in the center of my foot, and then it starts to loosen up as it gets into the toe box. So the fit is a little bit tough. The other thing I'm not too sure about is the actual feel. There is a lot of support in the heel. Now, what I mean by support is that I feel like I'm standing on bricks. There's not a lot of give. So if you have sensitive heels, or if you're gonna be standing up all day long, this is probably not the pair of shoes that you should get. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't get them, because they do look good, especially if you wear them properly. These definitely are not the type of sneakers that I would wear for the long haul. But yeah, going back to what I said before, I wouldn't wear these to run. Maybe if I were going up to the Whole Foods to get a green drink or something, sure, why not? But other than that, I don't really see myself wearing them for an extended period of time. Going out with some friends to socially distance in the park and have some sushi or something, you know? They look really good. I do like the look of them. As far as how they feel on foot and how comfortable they are, it's a little bit of a hard sell for me. However, there are other pairs that Fear of God has made with Nike that are actually very comfortable. The Air Raids are fantastic. The Fear of God ones, those are actually very comfortable. Having that air bubble is really nice. When it's just the Fear of God silhouette, that is where the problems start. They have these really blocky, brick-like midsoles that are just ridiculously hard, and they just don't seem like they're made for people that want to wear them as an everyday pair of sneakers. So that's just something to keep in mind. So going back to what I said in the beginning with the price point, yes, it is very expensive. After taxes, you're looking at about 3 bones. That's a lot of money. And if you're willing to spend that money, then yeah, why the hell not? They look good. If you want to have something that's more of a fashion statement, then these are really great to have. I don't think it's something you should wear as like, these are sneakers that I want to wear every day and I want to beat them up. Don't think they're gonna really hold up that well for you, so I would stay away. Here, I'll give you guys an example of a pair of sneakers that I would wear every day that are $300. These guys right here. Why? Because Boost is life. I know not everyone's into Boost anymore. I still like Boost because I'm old and I like the way it feels on my feet, okay? But other than that, you know, when you're looking for something that's more of a style and you want something that looks good, like if you're gonna flex for the gram or whatever and you're gonna do, you know, some streetwear stuff, these are awesome. These are great. They look really good. That's why I got them, because they looked really great in the lookbooks. You totally got me. But as far as how comfortable they are, I'll probably have to just suck it up and I'll have to break them in a little bit and see how they feel. Otherwise, I'll just sell them to somebody that actually wants to wear them. I think this is a tough sell. I am a huge fan of Jerry and his designs. I love what he's about. I love everything Fear of God. It fits me really well. I love the oversized feel and look of all of the pieces that he designs. The shoes, I'm still trying to figure out which ones I like, which ones I don't. These are kind of in the middle. I'm gonna hold on to them for a little while and give them a chance, but if you are still living at home with your parents, I would not recommend you buying these shoes. I'm just gonna say that right now. Save your money. But hey, if you have money to spend, then why not? If you like the way it looks. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe for some more. I've got plenty of sneakers to go through that I should probably start talking to you guys about and maybe help you make a decision on whether or not you wanna buy them or not. Until next time, my guys, I'll see you later.